Hello. So in this session, we will talk about how we can use a matrix table view, plus how we can see the data relationship between two tables, plus how we can import multiple tables from a same workbook, plus how we can use the custom column sorting here. Like if you want to make a sorting as per your requirement in the matrix or visuals, so how you can do it. So let's see the data first. Okay, so we have three tables here. One is film, second one is certificate, and third one is journal. So if we see it, we have one thing in common. So we have journal ID and certificate ID in the film table. Okay, so when we import it, so as per the default, Microsoft Power BI automatically create the data relationship between these three tables because we have this generic ID and certificate ID in the film table itself. So it will create a table like a foreign key and a primary key, but it will be like easy or good for the beginners one. But when we work in real time with the real data, in that case you will be importing multiple sources data, so that in that case you don't want to do it automatically because it will create a mess for you. So first, how we can disable that part, let's see from Microsoft Power BI window. So I will go to file options, then go to options and settings, then go to options. A new window will appear in front of you. Let's wait. Okay, now go to current file section here, click on data load. You see that relationship is there. First one is import relationship from data source on first load. So when you are going to first load your data, it will automatically import the relationship from this data source itself. So I don't want to do it in my case, so I will uncheck this one. Also, whenever you are going to reload the data or something, or you are going to add something, it will automatically detect the relationship. So that also I don't want to do it. So I will uncheck both of them and click OK. Okay, now I will import a Excel workbook. I already told in my previous session how we can import. So we can go to Home tab and we can click on Excel workbook. I can select my Excel file. Just wait for 10-20 seconds. It will take data to reload. So now we have multiple tables from our Excel. These two I think are hide, so that's why it was not visible. So we just want to import these three tables only: certificate, film, and generic. So when you click on it, you can see the preview from here, like are you select correct table or not. Now we have these two options, load and transform data. So in this case, I don't want to do any transformation or any automation or any changes to data. So that's why I will just simply click on load. It will take a couple of seconds to load your data. Just wait. And that's how you can see if any progress is there or not. You can see this new window will appear, load, and it is showing that which table is getting loaded: certificate, film, and generic. I think this is a general one, so I have not renamed it. Okay, now we have a tick mark icon against of them. It means that it is successfully loaded with no errors. We can go to table view tab and we can see our data. We have certificates. Okay, we have film, we have generic, I think general one. Okay, now go to model view. Let's see whether it has created any relationship or not. See, this is what I was saying. If we disable it in the very first step, it will not create a relationship for you. So now we will do it manually. Okay, we know that we have certificate ID in certificate table and in the film table also. So we will drag it, or what we can do, we can create a relationship from here also. in the home tab, create and manage relationships, and you can add your new relationship. Okay, I will select first table. First table will be films. In film I am going to select certificate ID column, basis on which we want to make a relationship with certificate table. Okay, now see, it has automatically detected the relationship like many to one. Okay, make this relationship active. Okay, and I also want to create a relationship with this one also, general one. Okay, I will click new film again. Now we have a generic ID column here, and with the generic column, this is also many to one. I will close it, and you see, now we have a relationship. So one more thing to remember, like we have a arrow sign here. What does it mean? If it is moving towards this film, it means that this is controlling this table. Or if we hover it, we can see which columns are being connected between these two tables. Same with this one. Okay, now we have a connection, so we can go back to the report view. Let's create a new matrix view here, matrix visual. Okay, I have selected from this visualization pane, I have selected matrix visual. Now we have fields here, row, column, and values. In row, I want the generic one, this. You see automatically here. You can also drag. Okay, I will drag the certificate now. Certificate name I will drag to columns, and now as a count we will take film ID count. Now see one thing, the headers of the certificate table. I will have a snap for you also, so that we can remember it. Okay, so see, Power BI itself has done some sorting at its end, but if we go to the table, certificate table, we don't want it to start from 12. See, this is what we are getting right now, 12, then 12, 8, 15, but we want it to start from U, then we want PG, then we want 12, 12A, that kind of sorting we want. So that's why we have already added a new column in table, certificate ID, and we have added numbering against it. But why it is still not working? Because we have not selected the correct column for sorting. So I will select this certificate column here, go to column tools, now click on sort columns. See, certificate is already selected, but we want to sort it on the basis of certificate ID. Click on it, it will save your settings. Now go back to report view. See, now do the comparison. See, this was the old one which we were getting. Now we have U, PG. This is as per our custom sorting. Okay, so that's how you can create a custom sorting for any column, for any visuals. You can create data relationship between multiple tables. You can also delete them if you want. How you can do? You can go back to model view, and either you can double click on this link, go to manage relationship, and you can deactivate it from here. Okay, so that's how you can play with this Microsoft Power BI settings. And I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you.